It went quite a ways.
Yep.
Yeah, stopping point. Oh, nice. One of those blades.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that off of this.
Yeah. It looks like a sport.
Is that one damaged?
Yeah.
We're getting ready for the flooring to be installed. It's the night before egg retrieval day as well. So doing everything at once again.
As always.
So we've moved almost everything out and I'll show you guys. So here's the kitchen. Here's the spot that's been torn up for about a month and a half. So we got everything out of the closet floor so they can put flooring in, everything off, everything that's mobile. Dining room chairs are gone. Coffee table's gone. 2 chairs are gone. Light is gone. Rug is gone. Ottoman is gone. And then in the hallway, this closet is cleared out. We've still got to do Drew's bedroom, but we'll do that Friday. This closet's cleared out. And then what's going to be the nursery still has to be cleaned out, but it's gonna go, Drew's room and the nursery is gonna go into the living room once it's finished. They're gonna start in the master bedroom, which is cleared out. Tony's taking our dresser, our nightstand drawers down now. Everything's off, everything. Clothes for tomorrow. Everything is in our closet. So everything from Drew's room and what's going to be the nursery will come into the living room because they're doing the master bedroom first, then they're doing the living room and the kitchen, and then the hallway and the bedrooms. So that should be good. We'll just do Drew's room and the nursery tomorrow, or not tomorrow, Friday. And then it should be good to go. And we're gonna show you them installing the floor and taking it out as well. We had a little bit of an issue with the flooring. So we had to go pick out a new flooring that can be installed. And that's what Tony's carrying in now.
And I paid like $1,200 for a set.
They ain't get right sometimes.
That was the one thing I fought for myself when we redid the house.
So the guys are at lunch right now, but they are scooting along here. They've got about more than half the house done on Friday, so I'm excited for it to be done. I'm super excited. Quarter round is going down now. It's looking great. I'm excited. We'll do a full room reveal at the end.